Hey everybody, this is Brad from the Stock and Options Room here at ShadowTrader.net's Live Trading Suite. And the stock I want to talk to you about today is UPS, United Parcel Service, of course, one of the big delivery companies like FedEx. The stock obviously is at new 52-week lows. And at this level, of course, some of you might be thinking, well, why the heck are you looking at this stock here? I'm assuming you're not going to get short down here, and that is correct. I'm not going to get short down here. I'm actually looking to go long the stock. Now here on the 29th of July, UPS gapped down after earnings, sold off pretty sharply. Then there was a nice, little lift, some buying, but then the stock just went sideways for weeks, and obviously now has been selling off again for the past couple days. And obviously it's a bearish chart. However, the reason I'm interested in it, and by the way, Reagan from the room brought this to my attention today, so thank you, Reagan. I went back a little bit further in the chart, and I went back to the 5-year low, going all the way back to March 2020, and all of a sudden I see a longer term support right around the 82 area. So for me, this is a just no-brainer. I mean, look, obviously when the stock has been selling off, the all-time high in the stock is over $230 way back here, actually over 230, back in 2021. No, I'm sorry, it was in the beginning of 2022. And now the stock, of course, is 83 bucks. So the stock has been obliterated, but I have to think that there is some kind of value in this stock eventually. I'm not the kind of person that thinks no one's ever going to ship a package anymore using UPS. And it's also kind of a Buffettism, right? When people are greedy, be fearful. And when people are fearful, be greedy. And so I'm not greedy, so to speak, down here. But when I see prior lows going back to, the beginning of 2020, I'm going to buy the stock. Now, I haven't bought it yet. As a matter of fact, in the room, what I did today, and by the way, you should be checking out our room if you haven't, but I sold a downside 82 put for next week and collected 60 cents for it. So what does that mean? That means I'm willing to buy the stock down here at $82, which obviously is $2 further out of the money, plus I collected 60 cents for the option. So that's going to lower my basis if I get put to stock. And if I don't get put to stock, well, then obviously I get to keep the credit. Now, for those that don't want to sell a put and you're not comfortable and you're not sure yet, that's fine too. One of the ways I usually trade this is I use that 82 level as a look below and fail, meaning if the stock goes down below 82 and then goes back above, that's the long, right? So obviously I'm stepping out and selling a downside put, even before the stock obviously is at that level, and I'm willing to do that because I think it presents a really good trading opportunity from a technical level. Fundamental analysis. Obviously, the sector, the stock itself has been selling off, but when I look back, like I said, at these lows, coming all the way back here to March of 2020. Traders stepped into this stock before, right? Think about what happened back then, right? Back in March of 2020, obviously after COVID, you think people were excited about UPS at that point? Absolutely not, right? They were negative, they were bearish on everything. But then what happened to UPS from March, obviously a year and a half later, to the all-time highs? So anyway, for me, it just makes sense. It's kind of what we call a right or right out trade, meaning, like I said, if you don't want to sell the put, that's fine. Wait, keep an eye on the stock. If it goes to 82 and below, let it go. But then if it goes back above 82, then that's your long, and then the stop would be below wherever that low happens to be. Me, I'm willing to sell the put and buy stock at 82, because even if I get put the stock at 82 between now and next Friday, I'll automatically be looking to sell upside calls for the following week and just continue to lower my basis, all right? Not only that, looking at next week between now and the 12th, the expected move is only about $2, right? So even if the stock dropped by the amount that they're, you know, thinking it could, which of course, that's why I look at this all the time. Obviously 84 to 82, that kind of ties in the $2 expected move, right? So I don't think I'm putting myself out there at any crazy risk, because that's what the market is telling me the expected move is, plus or minus $2. So anyway, again, be fearful when others are greedy and be greedy when others are fearful. Also, selling that put to me makes a lot of sense, bringing in premium to lower the basis. So there you go. UPS getting in the stock. Not today, not tomorrow, maybe next Friday, maybe not. But either way, we collected 60 cents. Is in the coffers right now, and we'll see what happens once the stock approaches the 82 level. Hope it helps. Hope to see you in the room, and take care. Peace. Hey everybody, this is Brad Agunis with ShadowTrader.net. Thank you for taking the time to watch this short video. If you like what you saw, hit the like and subscribe button below. Also, you can check us out, ShadowTrader.net/squawk. And if you want to trade live with myself or any of the other Shadow Trader moderators, sign up, give us a try. Take care, good luck trading, and see you soon.